Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on how I created this eye makeup right here. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. You guys, here is a close-up of the makeup. What do we think? We are finished. We are ready to go for life, baby. Stay ready. I don't know why I'm feeling so sassy today. Maybe it's the makeup. I love this look. I think it's super simple but like very glam, and I think it really goes with anything. All the products that I used I will list in the description box below for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, you like this tutorial, be sure to let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you are not already, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. It honestly is like one of the biggest ways you can help support your girl, and it really means a lot. It makes my heart happy knowing that you guys want to be my friends here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!